Here's one for my grandson. I was playing with the drone in the driveway and the garbage truck pulled in. The recycle, I should say. To get the cardboard and the cans, everything. It's always interesting to watch the arm reach out and grab it, dump it in there. Garbage trucks have a tough time in cul-de-sacs. They have to back around and loop around because they can't turn quite sharp enough. Let's go in and take a closer look at the garbage truck, shall we? Flying in with the drone. Raising up a little bit. You know what? Let's back up and go over the neighbor's roof and let's just watch him as he maneuvers around. Looks like the neighbor here has got some cardboard that needs to be handled. I don't think they can do that with the arm. I think they have to get out and do it by hand. Let's find out, shall we? Look at him. He has to make a couple passes to get turned around. How many of you would like to be garbage truck drivers? Or recycle drivers? What's he gonna do? He's just gonna think about it. He's getting out. Looks like he's talking to someone in the cab. Pretty sure of it, because he's waving his arms and chatting. See a little motion there on his bin. Okay, there he's throwing that in. Okay, then he just puts the can over because there's a car in the way. He can't get close enough to it anyway. Wish people could learn to park, give him room. There he dumps it in. Surprisingly, nothing fell out. Well, not very much. He'll put the can back into position, or pretty close. Then he goes on to the next one. He's still busy talking. He's got something going on. There he goes. Release the brake, throw it in gear, and off he goes. And around the corner. And out of sight. I don't think we'll chase him today. Hope you enjoyed this. Thank you.